Hey guys, this is your boy Josh, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use your arrow keys to move your sprite. So basically, I have already built the code that you need, and then it's all up to you to customize this one. So I'm just gonna be discussing how this works. So in here, you can see I have three event blocks. So it's when a certain key is pressed, it's gonna point in that direction, and it's gonna move 10 steps. As you can see, it's the right, left, down, and up arrow. So up arrow, down arrow, and then we have right arrow and left arrow. So I'm still figuring this out. Why, like how should I do this to make this sprite stand up when it moves to the left? But anyways, that's how you use your arrow keys to move your sprite in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.